Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome to my channel. How y'all doing out there? So it's the day after my birthday. And to all of you that wished me happy birthday, I thank you. I appreciate all of you from the depth of my heart. Believe me, thank you. God bless all of you. May all of your dreams and your desires be fulfilled in 2021 and beyond. So, guys, I'm not wearing my contacts, so I can see. I just need my glasses to read fine prints. But guys, if you're new to me, if you are new to me, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Georgette. And a little bit about my channel is that I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just transform your lives, because I have totally transformed my life. So that's what I strive to do on this channel here. And so please don't subscribe until the end. Smash the subscribe in, like, and share the video. Put your notifications on, because I drop a video daily. Yes, I do. And leave a comment in the box below. All right. So guys, why do we have bad days? Yes, bad things can happen to us. But why do we choose to have a bad day? Let's dig deep in that real quick. It's mindset. And I'm going to go right back to the mindset. I talk a lot about mindset because it is. Yes, someone may die. Yes, your guy, your girl may walk away from the relationship. You may be going through a divorce. You may have the bills piling up and don't know how you're going to pay those bills. But the very same way that you can go into the negative and think a negative thought about all of that, I am challenging you. It is very simple, but it's not easy. Why don't you just shift a bit and just think a different thought? Just think that the possibilities for you is endless, that there are limitless possibilities, that resources are endless. Do you believe if one resource dry up, that's everything, that you're done? Do you truly believe that? I'm going to challenge you just to shift a bit and to think a different thought. So I'm going to share with you, when having a bad day, someone die, yes, you can take a moment. Don't take 3 days. Don't take 5 days. Don't take 10 days. Don't take a month and a year. You see, bad things happen because in the world where we live, right now, babies are being born. And people are dying at the same time in the same world where we live. So good things are happening and bad things are happening at the same time. But it's a choice to suffer. People are getting married and happy and in love, and people are getting divorced. The same time people are getting married, taking their lovely wedding photo, people are in the courts signing away, being divorced. It's a frequency. It's your vibration, and all that is your state of mind. When I talk about vibration and frequency, it's your state of mind. Are you happy? Are you excited? Or are you sad and gloomy and dull? Is that the vibration you're giving off? Is that the energy you're giving off? It's your state of mind, your state of being. And so, guys, when something bad is happening to you, you take a moment and then you choose a different thought, And I did my live on Facebook earlier, and I shared the very same thing, how when something bad does happen, because bad things happen, so many great things have been happening. I think I said on my last video, so many great manifestations, so many wonderful things. Yesterday on my birthday, I had a virtual party. I didn't plan it, but I had family members FaceTime, then I had other family members video call, And so I went out. I had an amazing, beautiful day. I went over to the beautiful Atlantis, Bahamas. We only have two of those in Dubai and in the Bahamas with the underground aquarium. So I was over to Atlantis all day. Had an amazing time. Had an amazing, beautiful lunch. Just a wonderful day. And came back in. My baby girl got me a heart shaped ice cream chocolate chip, really nice. I still have more in the freezer. I guess I'll dig into that later. And so as I was blowing it out, my baby girl, my big daughter, she wanted to be on as well. And then I had all the family members calling at the same time. We're magnets. And they all were calling at the same time. So everybody was on video, and all the devices were being used. And so I blew out my candle, and they made wish for me. I made my own wish, a virtual party. It was amazing. And so, as good things are happening, my daughter is leaving for college tomorrow. And so in the Bahamas, a lot of laws and a lot of rules to travel. You have to get a travel visa. You have to get a special type COVID test, which my daughter took the COVID test, and she applied for the travel visa. It takes a minute. As you apply, they respond to you, and they denied her. And because she had the nasal swab, the antibodies, I don't know what is it that they want. And as she's out with her friends right now, and she said, "Mommy," she texted me, said, "Mommy, they denied me." And I said, "Okay, baby, when you come back, we will deal with it. We're going to call the hotline. They have a hotline until about 11 o'clock or midnight. We're going to call it. And if I have to email the chief, the medical officer, whomever, I will do that." You see, and it happened when she was coming, so I'm not even giving it a second thought. She will be, tomorrow this time, she will be off, on her way off to school. And when she was coming in, her COVID test had expired like a couple of hours. And they denied her as well. And I had to email the chief medical officer and all sorts of things. And she is home. She came home for Christmas Eve. So you see, you remember the things, what you do, you remember the good things that has transpired in your life, and know that even though things may look gloomy, guys, even though bad things happen, or a situation that looks bad or deemed bad, a death, a divorce, a breakup, you can choose a different thought. And it comes into your reality. At this present moment, my baby girl has been denied to leave for back to school tomorrow. But I know that it's okay. She has a negative test. She got the test. It's a negative test, but they're requiring a different type of test. And when we went to the lab yesterday, the lady just told us that's the test she needed. And so, but you can choose a different thought. And that's why I like to share my story and my journey. Because people may watch a video and say, "Yeah, you have a nice place here. You look like you're doing okay. Everything is perfect for you." And a gentleman said that to me. I was talking to him on Messenger, and he was saying during the coronavirus, his business shut down, and he's a sole provider for his family. And I said, "Do you meditate?" He said, "What?" He probably thought I was crazy. And he didn't want to hear anything. I wanted to share the Silver Method meditation with him. I shared it with a lot of people. And they come back and say, "Georgette, thank you for helping." Say, things have shifted. They say, "I'm trying this for the last 7 days." A gentleman came back to me and said, "I feel so good." And so that's how I reach out to persons, and I just share with them what I have learned, a lot of stuff in the last year. It's a choice to suffer. It doesn't matter. You can't pay the bills right now. The bills are mounting up. Don't give it the negative thought. Keep saying that all my bills are being paid with ease, on time, and with overflow, and everything is working out for my highest good, and I am safe. That's powerful right there, to know that everything is working out and you are safe. So if you can't pay the mortgage, you won't be evicted, because everything is working out for your highest good and you're safe. Whatever the lesson is, learn the lesson, because everything teaches us a lesson. You see, it's a choice to suffer. You are the driver. Would you drive your vehicle over the cliff if you have a flat tire, or if it's giving you problems? Would you do that? Or would you turn the ignition on, press gas, sit down, and not steer the wheel? Isn't that crazy? Would you turn the ignition on and keep pressing gas and just sit down and not steer the wheel? You wouldn't do that. It's the very same thing with your mind. You have two minds, the conscious and the subconscious. You have to feed the subconscious so that it is programmed, and it in return programs the conscious mind. Feed the subconscious mind what you want, all positive, and let it feed the conscious mind. The subconscious programs the conscious, and we operate on the subconscious mind 97% of the day and of our lives. And it goes to the negative immediately, guys. I promise you. The subconscious mind, it doesn't want to stretch, it doesn't want to think, and it doesn't want for you to be successful, because you're stretching it. You're thinking too much. You're stretching it. So you have to be intentional and say, okay, this is what my daughter just texted me that I'm not going to think about. I'm going to remember when she came in. She actually didn't even have a test because her test was expired 7 days ago. It was right on the 7th. I think it's just a couple of hours it was expired. And the chief officer, health minister, the health minister in charge, I emailed him. Sent him all the documents and told him she's an athlete in college. She has about 10 negative COVID tests, and her test just ran out about a couple of hours. And he said, okay, he will work on the email right now. So she's out with her friends. When she comes in, we're going to call the hotline. And if I need to email him again, I'll email him. She leaves tomorrow at 11 o'clock. And if he has to do an email or call the airline, he will just do that. And so I choose to know that she will be out. I don't want for her to go, but she has to go. She has to go. She has her life. She has to go and live her life, get her degrees, whatever she's working on. She works on campus. She runs track and field. And she's going to go and make her own life as she's a young adult. And so she'll be gone tomorrow doing her thing. Yes, I choose to believe that. Now, some parents will be sitting down worried, oh my gosh, you won't be able to leave tomorrow. No, I'm not going to sit and choose those negative, disempowering thoughts. I choose to smile. I choose to laugh. I choose to know that everything is well. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You see, you can choose. You choose to suffer or not to suffer. Yes, you do. So guys, that's all I have for you. Why do we have bad days? Because you're choosing to suffer. You can have a bad moment, but a day is 24 hours. You can choose a different thought and change your entire state. You can choose to do something fun. Think of a new thought. Call a friend and talk something positive. Play some music. You can choose to change your state, change the energy, change the vibration, and change the frequency. And as you're happy and laughing and smiling, you're attracting more of those things. She's out with her friends laughing and chit-chatting, not giving it a thought. I'm here not giving it a thought, making my YouTube video. I went live earlier on Facebook. I'm going to be doing a little IGTV for my Instagram. I'm not giving it a thought. And that's the principle. Not saying it's easy. It is very simple. But it is not easy. You have to reprogram yourself in doing that. And I'm going to leave the step-by-step guide below. And I'm going to also leave your free gift that really walks you through and tells you how to really do that as well. So the step-by-step guide, how to really change your state when you're having a bad day, and change that bad day just to a bad moment. I'm going to leave the link below so you can grab that down there. So guys, that's all I have for you. And so if you haven't subscribed, I think this is the perfect time. Please subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow, and to for others to see these great videos. Yes, please drop a comment in the box below. How do you handle your bad days? How are you now going to shift your bad days just to a bad moment? Yes. And smash the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on. Check out the guide. Grab your free gift. I love you. I love you from the depth of my heart. I love you. And I thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Keep watching. I'm going to leave videos popping up, so keep watching those videos. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you love and light. Mwah! Bye-bye.